In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top of it and wait for the pop-up. Hit split view and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. But you can use the same line to resize your apps. Just hold it, pick a perfect size and let go. If you want to use more options of split screen view, you can do that by tapping on those three dots at the top of both apps. I will go with my files one. Now try all of those. Expand to make this app bigger but without accessing split screen. By holding those three dots, you can slide your app down or up and change places of them. By clicking on full screen, you will exit split screen view and use chosen app in full screen view instead. By clicking on switch app, you can switch the chosen one for any other one you will click on. And last but not least, by tapping close, you will exit split screen view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!